Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is Asma Babani. Today we are going to study last chapter of Social Science Grade 7, Chapter 12, Continents North and South America and Europe. First we will study about North and South America. Srushti has sent the album of the pictures of the continent of North America from New York. Let us see the pictures and know more about the continent of America. Rocky chain of mountains, Grand Canyon, Statue of Liberty. This is the natural beauty of North America. The continent of North America consists of three countries: United States of America, that is USA, Canada, and Mexico. It is spread over 2.44 lakh square kilometer, that is covering almost 16% of the land area of the world. The natives of this land are known as Red Indians. The new culture of America has developed because of the Europeans' interrelation of people. Students, the continent of North America consists of USA, that is United States of America, Canada and Mexico. The continent is spread over 2.44 lakh square kilometer. This means it consists of 16% land area of the world. The natives of North America are known as Red Indians, who are the original inhabitants. Things to know. America was named after the Italian explorer Amerigo Vespucci instead of Christopher Columbus because though Columbus found a new world, Vespucci was the man who recognized that it was a new world. How did Columbus and Vespucci travel? Students, they used to travel by ships. You can see the picture of the ship with sail. Find out in the map the places Columbus discovered. Students, in 1492 AD, when Christopher Columbus discovered America, he believed that he had discovered Asian islands, which were actually Bahama Islands in the Caribbean Sea. Study the natural map of North America and write in your notebook the mountains, deserts, islands, lakes, and seas. Students, the islands of the north are Baffin, Victoria, Banks, Prince of Wales, Devon, Perry, etc. Baffin is the biggest island among these islands. North America extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to Panama in the south. North Pole passes from the north of Canada. In the same way, the Tropic of Cancer passes through central Mexico. The North American continent is 9,654 km long and its width from North Canada is 6,033 km, which, when tapering towards the south, reduces to 482 km. As North America is wider than South America, there are four standard time zones in the USA. Students, the continent lies in the Western Hemisphere. North America extends from Arctic Ocean in the north to Panama Canal in the south. The North Pole passes from the northern part of Canada. The Tropic of Cancer passes through central Mexico. The north-south length of the continent is 9,654 km. Its width is 6,033 km in North Canada, which reduces to 482 km as one moves from Canada to the southern end of North America. Since this continent is very wide, it has four time zones or standard times. Activity: think, observe the map and answer. See the map of North America and note down islands in the north and find out the biggest island. Students, the biggest island is Baffin Island, and other islands in the north are Victoria, Banks, Prince of Wales, Devon, Perry, etc., which are the latitudes that pass through America. Make a list of the cities which passes through it. Students, North Pole and Tropic of Cancer passes from North America, and the cities on North Pole are Fort Yukon, Fort Good Hope, and Port Radium. Cities on Tropic of Cancer are Havana and Manzatlan. The northern half of North America is sparsely populated and covered mostly by Canada, except for the northwestern portion, which is occupied by Alaska, the largest state of the US, and includes the enormous island of Greenland in the northeast. Since these areas are usually covered with snow Agriculture is almost impossible there. When the last ice age ended about 4,000 years ago, the glaciers melted and formed North America's five Great Lakes: Lake Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario make up the Great Lake system. The Great Lakes contain one fifth of the world's fresh surface water, making them the largest system of fresh water on Earth. Students, the northern part of North American continent is covered with snow-laden mountain regions. These regions consist of Alaska in the northwest, Greenland in the northeast, and the rest is Canada. Alaska is the largest state of the US. Due to snow, these regions are not useful for agriculture. When the last ice age ended about 4,000 years back, the glaciers melted and formed five huge lakes in North America. They are collectively known as Great Lakes. Five Great Lakes, namely Superior, Huron, Erie, Ontario, and Michigan. The Great Lakes contain one fifth of the total surface water on Earth, and hence they form the largest freshwater system of the world. Think, observe the map, and mention the names of other lakes found in North America. Students, the other large lakes are Great Bear, Great Slave, Athabasca, Reindeer, and Winnipeg Lakes. The Great Plains lie in the middle of the North American continent. The rivers like the Mississippi, Missouri, and Mackenzie deposit rich alluvium on its bank, thus creating vast fertile basins known as the prairies. Agriculture is the prime occupation of this region. Wheat is grown in plenty in this region, and it is popular for huge production of wheat all over the world. Two chains of mountain ranges rise to the east and west of North America. The most familiar of these mountains are the Rockies, North America's largest chain in the west, and the considerably older Appalachian Mountains to the east. The tallest mountain peak in the United States is Mount McKinley in the Alaska Range. This is the home of the Eskimos who live in special type of houses known as the igloo. The wildlife of North America is diverse and includes animals such as the reindeer, seal, walrus, white bear, polar bear, etc. Students, North America also consists of vast plains. Important rivers like Mississippi, Missouri, and Mackenzie make the fertile plains. These plains are also known as plains of prairies. These plains are world famous for their wheat production. There are also two specific mountain ranges in the east and the west of the North American continent. They are Rockies Mountains in the west and Appalachian Mountains in the east. Among all, Mount McKinley is the highest peak. It lies in Alaska Range. Since Alaska remains covered with snow, Eskimo community of Alaska lives in special type of houses called igloo. Animals such as reindeer, seal, walrus, white bear, polar bear, etc. found in these snowy regions. Climate, vegetation, and wildlife. Weather varies dramatically across the North American landscape. Climates range from Arctic cold to equatorial heat. Precipitation and temperature levels modulate dramatically depending on location. In many areas of North America, the climate is extremely cold and dry. This is known as the tundra type of climate, which spans from most of Greenland to the mountains of the Alaska to North Canada. Central America and southern Mexico has a tropical hot and humid climate, while the coastal areas experience heavy rainfall and a moderate climate. Severe weather in the form of thunderstorms is a normal spring and summer occurrences across North America. Devastating tornadoes are also common in the spring and summer months, especially in the central part of the US. Deadly tornadoes devastate life and property every time a tornado strikes the USA. Students, the regions of North Canada, Alaska, and other mountainous regions experience tundra type of climate. This climate is too cold and dry. The climate of central part of the continent is unfavorable. The regions of Central America and southern Mexico, which lie in southern part of North America, experience hotter temperature. The coastal area experiences moderate climate and heavy rainfall. North America experiences severe cyclones in summer and spring season. Such cyclones are called tornadoes. Such a tornado once badly destroyed a lot of property and took lives of many people of USA. Students, in figure 12.3, you can see the specialty of continent of North America, that is Mount McKinley, Reindeer, Plains of Prairies, River Colorado, that is Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls, Volcano, and Mid-Torrid Forest. And in figure 12.4, you can see the wildlife of continent of North America. Picture of seal, whale, cod, white bear, wolf is seen. Think, where are hot springs found in our states? Students, hot springs found in our states are, the first one is Tulsi Shyam, which is in Saurashtra. Second is Lasundra, that is near Dakor. Third one is Tuva, which is near Godhra. And fourth is Unai, which is situated near Vaghai. The Great Plains of North America are also home to rich deposits of iron, coal, mineral oil, natural gas, copper, gold, silver, etc. In fact, USA ranks first in mineral deposits in the world. Students, most of the minerals like iron, copper, gold, silver, coal, mineral oil, etc. are available in plenty in USA. So it ranks first in the industrial field in the world. Study the map and answer the following question. Which countries are there in this continent? Students, the countries in North America are Canada, USA, the full form of USA is United States of America. Third country is Mexico. Fourth country is small countries of Central America. Fifth is Greenland and Caribbean islands. Canada. North America is the largest continent in the northern hemisphere, and Canada occupies a major northern portion of North America, sharing land borders with the United States. Ottawa is the capital of Canada, while Montreal, Toronto, Winnipeg, and Hamilton are its major cities. Ice hockey is the national game of Canada. Much of the Canada is covered by ice and experiences severe weather conditions. Canada has the longest coastline in the world and enjoys moderate to high temperatures throughout the year. Students, Canada is the largest country of the continent of North America and Ottawa is its capital. Montreal, Toronto, Winnipeg, Hamilton, etc. are major cities of Canada. Half of Canada is made up of hard and solid mountains and groups of islands. Canada has the longest coastline in the world. Canada has multiple ecosystems ranging from lush forests of British Columbia, the prairies of Western Canada, to the tundra of the northern Canada. With a large land mass and small population density, the wild lands of Canada provide important habitat for many animals such as the bear, white wolf, deer, otter, beaver, and reindeer. Canada's rivers are famous for the Atlantic salmon on the east coast and Pacific salmon on the west coast. Canada's many freshwater lakes and streams are home to many varieties of fish. They are also significant commercial fisheries of many saltwater species. Canada is the world's largest manufacturer of asbestos. It is also the world's leading producer of nickel and platinum. USA is a federal state, has achieved prosperity in the fields of agriculture, trade, and industry. Its physiography being extensive and varied, the USA has the Rockies and the Appalachian mountain ranges to the western and eastern directions, respectively. Rivers like the Mississippi and Missouri and the five Great Lakes have contributed tremendously in the agricultural revolution, due to which cotton, corn, and wheat are produced in abundance. Students, the area of Canada is very large and it experiences different continental and coastal climates. Most part of the Canada experience winter in summer and severe cold in winter. Coniferous trees can be found in parts of Canada that experience tundra climate. Animals such as bear, white wolf, deer, otter, beaver, and reindeer are also found. A variety of fishes are found in Newfoundland. This has boosted the fishing industry. Canada's rivers are famous for the Atlantic salmon fish on the east coast and Pacific salmon fish on the west coast. Canada is the biggest producer of asbestos mineral in the world. It is also the leading producer of nickel and platinum in the world. Ice hockey is the national game of Canada. Students, USA is a federal country. It is highly developed in agriculture, trade, and industry. Mountain ranges like Rockies and the Appalachians, rivers like Mississippi, Missouri, etc., and the Five Lakes have played a significant role in the agricultural revolution of USA. USA produces large quantity of cotton, corn, and wheat. The mineral deposits of iron, coal, and mineral oil has assisted in the development of industries. The USA leads the world in the development of transportation, especially roadways, superhighways, and freeways, that is, express highways without any intersection or toll booths. Facilities the majority of passenger travel along with other means of transportation. These are considered to be the benchmark of the progress and development of this great nation. Students, availability of resources like coal, mineral oil, and iron boosted the American industries. America has the best transport network in the world. Superhighways and freeways are the backbone of America's progress. The natives of America are known as Red Indians. The land of volcanoes, South America. Special features of the continent of South America. South America is the fourth biggest triangular continent in the western hemisphere of the world. It covers 13% of the total land area of the world. The continent of South America comprises of many countries like Argentina, Brazil, Chile, etc. Geographically, South America is generally considered a continent forming the southern portion of the American landmass. The Andes run down the western edge of the continent, and the land of the east of the northern Andes is largely a tropical rainforest, the vast Amazon River basin. The continent also contains drier regions such as the extremely arid Atacama Desert, the Central Plains, the extensive northeastern plateaus, and the narrow and exceedingly dry coastal plains. Various types of natural resources abound the country due to its mountainous physiography and the extensive forests of the Amazon. Geographically, South America is far from the continents of Asia, Europe, and Australia. Hence, the resources obtained here plays a significant role in the political, social, and economic life of the people of the continents. Europe, Australia, and Asia, irrespective of their geographical distance, plays significant role in the political, social, and economic life of the continental areas. Students, now we will study about South America. South America is the fourth largest continent lying in the Western Hemisphere. It is triangular in shape. It covers almost 13% land area of the world. It consists of countries such as Argentina, Brazil, Chile, etc. In spite of large distance of this continent from other continents such as Europe, Australia, and Asia, this continent has developed quite well politically, socially, as well as economically. The four chief physiographic divisions of South America are Andes Mountain, Central Plains, Northeastern Plateaus, and Coastal Plains. Activity: observe the physical map of South America and write the names of the mountains, deserts, rivers, and nearby seas. Students, the mountains of South America are Andes Mountain Range, Chimborazo Volcanic Mountain, and Cotopaxi Volcanic Mountain. Desert is Atacama Desert, and rivers are Amazon, Chapura, Negro, Tapajos, Orinoco, Pamaiba, Paraguay, Colorado, Salado, Uruguay, Parana, etc. The physiography of South America apparently is seen from the different natural sections, mainly Andes Mountains, Central Plains, and Northeastern Plateaus and narrow coastal plains. Students, South America consists of various landscapes like Amazon, Parana, Paraguay, alluvial plain of Orinoco River, torrid forest, highlands of Patagonia, and desert of Atacama. Various natural resources are obtained from the mountainous plains and Amazon forest of South America. Andes mountain ranges. The Andes is the world's highest mountain range outside of Asia. It is adjacent to Panama, south of the Horn Mountains, is 8,900 km long, approximately 160 to 600 km wide, and 6,000 meters high mountain range. This snow-clad mountain range has 6,900 meters high peaks as well. The highest peak, Mount Aconcagua, is of volcanic origin, but it is not itself an active volcano. Rises to an elevation of about 6,960 meters above sea level. South America has over 200 volcanoes, and Ecuador is one of the many countries of this continent that has the most volcanoes. Example: Chimborazo, inactive, and Cotopaxi, active volcanic mountains. The Titicaca is the largest freshwater lake of Bolivia, 275 meters deep. It is the highest lake situated at 3,660 meters high altitude in the world. The topography of South America is varied. There are fertile river basins of the Amazon, Parana, Paraguay, and Orinoco, the highlands, that is, grasslands of Patagonia, deserts like Atacama, and torrid and rainforest. Students, the Andes mountain range is about 7,200 kilometers long and about 160 to 600 kilometers wide. Some of its snow-covered peaks are higher than 6,000 meters. Its tallest peak, Aconcagua, is 6,960 meters high. It is the highest peak of the entire Western Hemisphere. There are many volcanoes in the Andes mountain range. Chimborazo and Cotopaxi volcanoes in Ecuador, and the Titicaca Lake, which is 275 meters deep at an altitude of 3,660 meters on the border between Peru and Bolivia, are world famous. There are alluvial plains of Amazon, Parana, Paraguay, and Orinoco rivers, tropical dense forest, that is selvas, and the Patagonia Plateau and desert regions of the Atacama. Water source. The origin of most of the rivers of the continent is found in the Andes Mountains and eastern highlands. The main rivers of Amazon are Amazon Negro, Rhone, Madeira, etc. Amazon is the world's longest river, covering a distance of 4,827 kilometers. Students, River Amazon, which has the maximum volume of water in the world, is 4,827 kilometers long, and its basin area is the largest in the world. Negro, Japura, Madeira, Tapajos, etc. are its tributaries. Climate, vegetation, and wildlife. The central part of the continent of South America is in the torrid region, and it thus experiences high temperature and frequent rainfalls throughout the year. Chile and Peru, in the south of the continent, experience cold and dry climate due to its neighboring continent, Antarctica. The high mountainous region of the Andes experience snowfall too. This continent has 21% forest and 14% grasslands of the world. Brazil and Argentina have torrid evergreen forests, pampas, and savanna grasslands. The alfalfa grass of pampas is well known. Students, most of the South America lies in tropical zone. The climate here is hot and humid. Heavy rain occurs in the Amazon basin. It is cold in the Andes mountainous region and in South Chile. There is snowfall also in these regions. There are 21% of forest and 14% of grassland of the world in this continent. There are evergreen forests, selvas, Colombia and Venezuela in Amazon basin, and savanna grasslands in East Brazil, and land of soft grass pampas in Argentina. Alfalfa is a well-known variety of grass in pampas. The diversity of animal life in the Amazon rainforest is unsurpassed from the rest of the world. Rare species of goats and sheep like the alpaca and the llama are found there. Whales and seals abound the seas. Due to the intense rainfall of the torrid regions, the laterite soil of the area becomes infertile and unsuitable for cultivation. However, the terra roxa soil of Chile, Peru, and Colombia is extremely favorable for the cultivation of coffee. Students, South America has llama, alpaca, and vicuna animals of camel family, besides other useful animals like cow, sheep, and goat. Many animals like fish, seal, and whale are found in the sea areas. Agriculture and minerals. 60% of the population is involved in agricultural activities in mere 4.2% of the total agricultural land area. Due to the varied climatic conditions, physiography, and soil, the focus of agriculture has slightly altered from shift agriculture to planting of cash crops. Thus, apart from a variety of cash crops, vegetables, orchards, and horticulture, farms developed tremendously. Here, crops like cocoa, coffee, corn, sunflower, linseed, and fruits are grown. 90% of the coffee of the world is obtained from the countries like Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, and Ecuador. Argentina, Brazil are the main leading producers of wheat and sugarcane. Students, agriculture is practiced only in 4.2% land in this continent. About 60% of the population of the continent is engaged in agriculture. Crops like wheat, maize, sugarcane, coffee, cocoa, sunflower, flax, fruits, vegetables, etc. are grown here. Brazil ranks first in the world in the production of coffee and sugarcane. Argentina grows wheat in fairly large quantity. The minerals like manganese, copper, mineral oil, and coal are also obtained here. Maximum tin and mineral oil are found. 4.6% of mineral oil of the world is obtained from Venezuela. Students, main minerals of South America are iron, copper, tin, silver, zinc, coal, and mineral oil. Venezuela is a leading producer of mineral oil in this continent. Brazil leads in mineral wealth. Activity. Observe the map of the continent of South America and note down the names of the countries of the continent. Students, the countries are Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Brazil, Paraguay, Chile, Argentina, Uruguay. In the plains of South America, roadways and the Trans-Andean railways link Buenos Aires to Lima. Waterways like the Panama Canal are a blessing and a boon for countries of North America and Japan. Students, Pan American Roadway in Brazil and Trans-Andean Railway are constructed in Chile, Argentina. The Panama Canal is a blessing to the countries like Japan and the countries of North America. Think, what is the state of the international relationship between North America and Japan in the absence of the Panama Canal? Students, when Panama Canal was not there, the international relationship between North America and Japan was joined through the sea route of Pacific Ocean on the islands of Japan from the western coast of North America. The international relationship between North America and Japan was joined through the sea route of Pacific Ocean by taking circulation of Tierra del Fuego of South America passes through Atlantic Ocean from the eastern coast of North America. Find from the map the names of the countries that share its border with Argentina. Students, the countries which share its border with Argentina are Chile, Bolivia, Paraguay, Brazil, and Uruguay. Make a list of the South American countries and their capitals. Students, the countries of South America and their capital are Brazil, its capital is Brasilia. Argentina, its capital is Buenos Aires. Suriname, its capital is Paramaribo. Venezuela, capital Caracas. Guyana, capital Georgetown. Colombia, capital Bogota. Ecuador, capital Quito. Peru, capital Lima. Chile, capital Santiago. Bolivia, capital La Paz. Brazil, Brazil is the biggest country in the area in the southern hemisphere and fifth in the world. Its length and width is almost the same. Portuguese ruled over Brazil in olden times. Therefore, people speak Portuguese language. It shares border with each and every country of South America except Chile and Ecuador. The Amazon rainforest is an incredibly diverse ecosystem that is home to new species of plants, animals, insects, and birds that are discovered every day. Example anaconda. This large snake is found here. The maximum number of people of the country live in the eastern part of the country. Among them, 60% of the population live in rural areas. Due to industrialization, people move to urban areas. Brasilia is the capital of the country. Students, in terms of area, Brazil is the fifth largest country in the world. It is 2.5 times larger than India. The border of this largest South American country touches all countries of the continent except Chile and Ecuador. The national language of this country is Portuguese. Anaconda, a large python, various animals, birds, and a large variety of vegetation are found in the large forest of Amazon. Most of the population of Brazil lives in its eastern part. About 60% people live in villages. Brasilia is its capital. Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro are the largest city of the country. Argentina. Argentina is situated near Andes Mountains. It is triangular in shape. Its width is half of its length from north to south. It extends till the Antarctica in the south. The warm currents blow from the north to the south, pass through the many volcanoes there, and make the land cold and dry. Mainly wheat and grapes are grown here. European people are seen more in number. 68% of the people live in cities and they mainly speak Spanish. Its capital is Buenos Aires. Students, Argentina country is in the south of the South America and to the east of the Andes range. It has temperate climate. Wheat and grapes are the main crops here. There is a considerable industrial development in this country. Mostly Europeans live in Argentina. Spanish is its national language. About 90% of its population lives in cities. Buenos Aires is its capital. Students, now we will study about Europe. We can know about new things from the internet. Moreover, we can make friends in far off places or countries. Bhavya had made friends with Alphonse from Paris and he had sent beautiful snaps of different places of Europe. Let us see and learn about it. Think. Refer to the map and name the continent which lies in the center of the northern hemisphere. Students, Europe continent is in the center of the northern hemisphere. The biggest peninsula of the world, Eurasia, is separated from Asia by the Ural Mountains. Lake Ladoga is the largest freshwater lake of the world located in Russia. It is spread over 16 lakh square kilometer and 64 crore people live in this continent. Bhavya, I shall now tell you about the perennial rivers. The Rhine, Volga, Danube, etc. are the main rivers. Students, Europe has an area of about 1 crore 6 lakh square kilometer. Europe and Asia are connected with each other and are collectively known as Eurasia. The Ural Mountain, Caspian Sea, Caucasus Mountain, and Black Sea separate these two continents. Activity. Look at the map and answer the following questions. Find the country of lakes from the map. Why are they called so? Use reference books and find out. Students, Finland is called the country of lakes because there are thousands of lakes located here. There are about 60,000 lakes. In which chain of mountains and country is Mount Blanc situated? Mont Blanc is situated in the chain of Alps mountain in France. What are peninsulas and valleys? Find out with the help of your teacher and reference book. Students, the huge land area which is surrounded by water from three sides is called peninsula. Sometimes divisional mountain is formed. At that time, its side slides down extremely deep. The valley formed due to this is called cleft. Find out the origin of river Rhine. Which sea does it follow into eventually? Students, The Rhine River starts from the Lake of Jura mountain of Switzerland, meets North Sea, passing through Germany and Netherlands. Make a list of the nations through which the longest river passes. Students, the river Volga, flowing in Russia, is the longest river of Europe. There is no country coming on the way of this river. Danube River of Europe, which ranks second in the length, has largest water flow in Europe. It flows through 10 countries such as Germany, Austria, Hungary, Serbia, Bulgaria, Romania, etc. Where is Lake Ladoga? Students, Ladoga Lake is located in Russia. It is the biggest lake of Europe. Vegetation and climate, land and agriculture. The effect of physiography and climate is seen on the land of Europe. Norway and Sweden, located to the north of Europe, has grey soil while southern Europe has dark brown Chernozem soil. The Mediterranean region is famous for its orchards of citrus fruits, its wheat and corn crops. The European continent is divided into two parts, east and west, due to its physiography. Here, 75% people are engaged in agriculture, whereas in the plains of Eastern Europe and in the mountain region of Western Europe, only 25% people are involved in farming. Students, the soil in Northern Europe has ash color, while Chernozem soil, which is of dark ash color, is found in South. Wheat, mustard, oat, maize, potatoes, beet, etc. are the main crops here. Citrus fruits, wheat, maize, etc. are grown along the coastal region of the Mediterranean Sea. More people are engaged in agriculture in the east than in the Western Europe. Mineral and industry. The western part of the Ural Mountains of Europe produces 56% of minerals of the world. It produces mainly iron, coal, bauxite, and potash. Coal is obtained from Ruhr province of Germany and iron from Quinoa province of Russia. Due to this, iron steel industry has developed well in Europe. In comparison to area, the density of population is more in Europe than other continents. Most of the people live in cities. Students, minerals are available in Europe in large quantity. They include iron, coal, bauxite, and potash. Coal from the Ruhr field in Germany and iron from Kryvyi Rog in Ukraine are mined on a large scale. Due to abundance of minerals, water, and electric power, many industries have developed in Europe. Europe is second after Asia in terms of density of population. The urban population in Europe is high due to the industrial development. Things to know. The first lady to step on the North Pole is a Gujarati lady of Indian origin named Mrs. Preeti Sen Gupta. Russia. Russia is the biggest country in terms of area. Moscow is its capital. The rivers of Russia in Europe are long, which freeze in the winter. Only 10% of the land of European and Russia is suitable for agriculture. 50% of the working people are dependent on agriculture. Its main crop is wheat. 25% of the total population of wheat of the world is produced in Russia. Students, Russia is the largest country in the world. Moscow is its capital. Its Volga River is the longest river in Europe. As the climate is very cold, most of the Russian rivers get frozen during winter. Only 10% of its land is cultivable. Wheat is the main production, which is about 6% of the world production. England. England is situated on the seaside, having modern ideology and technology. It enjoys a moderate climate in winter due to the warm currents that flow from the Atlantic Ocean. The heat reduces when it moves from west to east. 4% of the land of England is covered by forest. Coal is the main mineral produced here. Students, the country which had the largest empire at one time with the help of science and technology is today also a leading developed country. London is its capital. As the warm Gulf Stream of the Atlantic Ocean passes by this country, its weather, even in winter, remains warm and the ports are never frozen. They remain open for all the 12 months. Temperature in England decreases from west to east. Forests occupy only 4% of land of England. Coal is the main mineral of England. Its mineral oil fields are located in the North Sea. This country is much advanced in industries, trade, and commerce. France. France is the biggest democracy of Europe and Paris is its capital. It is shaped like a hexagon. Mont Blanc, the highest peak of West Europe, is located in France. River Seine, the longest river of France, is used as a waterway. Wheat is produced in France. Minerals such as coal, iron, and bauxite and salt are available here in less quantity. Students, in Europe, France has the largest area after Russia and Ukraine. Its capital, Paris, on the banks of River Seine, is a very beautiful city. The Seine River is useful as a waterway. Mont Blanc, which is 4,807 meters, the highest peak in the Alps mountain range, is located in France. The 12-kilometer long tunnel carved through it connects France and Italy. Wheat is the main crop in the plains of France. Iron, bauxite, salt, coal, and mineral oil are the main minerals. Germany. Germany is a landlocked country surrounded by Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, Switzerland, Austria, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Poland, and Denmark. Berlin is its capital city. Germany is mainly divided into two natural parts. First is snow deposited soil and sandy plains, and second is mountainous region of Alps in the south. Students, Germany is a highly developed country of Western and Central Europe. Its border touches 9 countries. Berlin is its capital and the largest city. There are two physiographic zones of Germany. First is northern plains and second is southern alpine mountainous regions. The Oder, Elbe, and Rhine are the main rivers of Germany. Most of the rivers are used as waterways. There is difference in the climatic condition of the eastern and western part of Germany. As we move from west to east, the winters are colder and summers hotter. In South Germany, winter is moderate. The effect of climate is seen on the vegetation. Coniferous forest in the cold regions, whereas in the moderate provinces, oak, birch, ash, and beech trees are found. Coal and iron are obtained from Ruhr and Thyssen. Germany is leading country of the world in engineering industry. The main cities of Germany are Munich, Hamburg, Frankfurt, and Stuttgart. Students, Oder, Elbe, Weser, and Rhine are the main rivers that are useful as waterways. Climate in Germany becomes more and more extreme as we go from west to east and the rainfall decreases. There is more rain in South Germany and the winters are warmer there. In the colder regions of Germany, coniferous forests are found, while trees such as oak, birch, ash, etc. are more found in the warmer regions. The Ruhr area of Germany is well known for coal production and industries. Germany leads the world in the engineering industry. Germany has to import mineral oil and natural gas. Hamburg is the largest port of Germany. Other large cities are Munich, Frankfurt, Hanover, Stuttgart, etc. Students, here we end our chapter 12, Continents, North and South America and Europe. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.